Tired of spending countless hours on 2D drawings and exporting neutral formats for your sheet metal parts in Autodesk Inventor? Embrace the future with SMDC, the Sheet Metal Drawing Creator app that empowers you to revolutionize your workflow. SMDC empowers you to master sheet metal tasks with ease, transforming the drawing creation process into a seamless journey. By harnessing your preferred drawing templates or letting you choose a new one, you're equipped to effortlessly generate all the necessary views for your drawings, including the flat pattern view, in an instant. SMDC transcends mere drawings. It exports STEP files of the main assembly and individual sheet metal parts, DXF files of the sheet metal flat patterns ready for manufacturing. Complete 2. D-drawings of all your sheet metal parts. Also, SMDC uses your existing drawing templates for seamless integration. PDF and DXF exports of your 2D drawings for easy sharing and further processing. Working with assemblies? SMDC simplifies everything. It checks all sheet metal parts, exports the STP of the main assembly, and generates a comprehensive parts list in Excel. To help you quickly locate and identify parts, SMDC adds sheet metal comments directly to each part. And for precise material ordering, it also exports the flat pattern size to your Excel parts list, ensuring you get the right dimensions every time. Imagine the time you'll save. SMDC eliminates manual errors and streamlines your entire sheet metal documentation process. You have complete control over the settings, allowing SMDC to perform exactly as you envision. It expertly creates 2D drawings of the main assembly, incorporates precise dimensions, generates a comprehensive parts list, and adds balloons effortlessly. For each sheet metal part, you'll receive a new sheet, showcasing 4 standard views and a flat pattern view. Embrace the opportunity to add, bend notes, and bend dimensions to the flat pattern, turning your designs into masterpieces. Each sheet is beautifully named after its reference document to simplify the process of defining the drawing sheets. Once the drawing creation process is complete, SMDC can proudly share the vision through PDF exports of the generated drawings and deliver the design in DXF format for the drawing sheets. After that, it will automatically open the folder where your exported files are waiting for you. To maintain a well-organized structure, DXF and STEP files are placed in separate folders. Unlock your potential and supercharge your workflow by checking out the link below. Let's elevate your efficiency to new heights. Thanks for watching.